Quick video on how to diagnose a cylinder misfire in a 2007 Toyota Camry 4-cylinder. Check the three simplest things: spark plug, coil pack, or possibly the fuel injector. This is a 10mm bolt. Simply pull that off, pull the sensor off, pull out the coil pack, change the spark plug, put the coil pack back on, and if that's not the spark plug, it could very likely be the coil pack itself. So what you can do is you can take these coil packs and you can switch them out with one another. They're interchangeable, and then when the engine's running, it'll be running rough. So then just pull the sensor, and if you notice a difference in the way it's running, put the sensor back on, and that's how you'll be able to tell if the coil pack is bad. And then after that, it might also be a fuel injector, which is also on this car actually quite easy to replace. We'll do that in another video.